Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud Alpha wired to your PC in 2026. So first of all, the HyperX Cloud Alpha connects to your PC using a 3.5 mm audio jack, and it supports both the sound and microphone. So first of all, you need to identify where your PC has a single combo jack, which is a headphone and the mic jack, or separate ports for the audio and microphone. Now, if your PC has a combo jack, you just have to simply plug the headset in directly into it. Now, if your PC has a separate ports, you can use the splitter cable included with the headset. So you can plug the headphone jack into the audio port, which is the green port, and then you just have to plug the mic jack into the mic port, which is the pink in color. After doing so, you just have to simply open the settings of your PC. Inside the settings, click on the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Over here in output and input, you need to select your headphone and your microphone as Cloud Alpha. After doing this, simply play any of the audios in order to confirm your sound is working properly. Then you can speak into the mic and you need to check whether the input levels are good. Just make sure that both are fluctuating properly. In the sound setting itself, you can just set the output volume between 70 to 100%, and you can set the input from 80 to 100%. This ensures that the clear sound is there and the voice pickup is also. So you can try this thing, and you can easily connect and set up your HyperX Cloud Alpha to your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.